Somewhere on the upper part of your paper, it can be in the middle or to the side, you're going to make a dot for your vanishing point. Make sure it's big enough that you can see it. Next, using your ruler, you're going to draw a X that goes through your vanishing point. So I'm lining that up, making sure the ruler goes through the vanishing point. And when I do the other direction, it should meet at that point. Next, we're going to make the back wall. So depending on how big you want that back wall to be is where you're going to do that ruler. So if I keep the ruler close to the vanishing point, that back wall will be very small. If I give it closer to the edge of my paper, it's going to be very big. You also want to try to keep the distance from the vanishing point to that line about the same on both sides. Mine, I realized, were not about the same, so I redrew it. Now I'm drawing with pen so you can see what I'm doing, so I can't erase that. So I just scribbled it out. For the top and bottom, you're going to curve the top like a rainbow, and then you're going to do a straight line on the bottom because the floor would be straight. Now you're going to erase everything inside the back wall except for your vanishing point. Great, now we're going to work on the floor. So you're going to line your ruler up so that your ruler touches the vanishing point and then goes towards the bottom of your paper. And you're going to do several lines that kind of fan out around the bottom. Make sure you stay on the floor section and don't go into the walls. Now you have a couple of choices. If you want tile floor, you're going to keep a horizontal line with your ruler and draw all the way down to the edge of your paper. If you want wood, then you're going to do a horizontal with your ruler, but you're going to stagger it a couple times through the little sections, and then you're going to draw a wood grain texture. So that's really just circles and then some loose wavy lines as you kind of fan out. Next, we're going to add the supports to the aquarium. So glass has to have some supports on it. On the sides, I'm keeping completely vertical lines, and at the top, I'm going to curve it because the aquarium will go above the heads as well, like a tunnel. You can keep it one line, or you can make it more of a shape with two lines. I like the look of two lines, so that's what I'm going to do on mine. When you finish that, trace your pencil lines with Sharpie.